I want this towel.
What do you mean? Now my room be this one. You supposed to get your own towel for your room.
I want collector.
You think it's a joke? You think it's a joke?
They not tell you say this hotel. Now 2 of us go to share one towel. I be new for you.
I know you now. What do you want? Why?
Okay, collect one.
What's going on here?
I want to see the manager of this hotel. I need to see him now.
Very good.
Okay, manager not there. A manager dey for the residence apartment where in lodge. Only when one collect money, na they reach here.
The manager of this hotel, he lodged for another hotel. I mean apartment. Why?
The resident apartment na the best apartment for this room. Then get 24-hour supply of light. You see the hospitality, na the best. Their security, it's tight, can't we? Once I close from duty, I dare me they go because the owner of this hotel lodge all the staff of this hotel for that resident apartment. Okay, go collect, I be no collect.
They play.
Okay, wait, oh, you go need them.
Mosquito coil? For waiting.
Oga, when the time reach, you go know. Rest in peace.
What type of plane is this?
This man.
Thank you for saving me. Thank you, my Lord. Thank you for saving me.